I stand before you today to announce the most difficult decision I ever made in my life.
5 years ago, on the eve of national elections, the National Prosecuting Authority announced it was dropping its multi-million rand corruption case against Jacob Zuma. Former prosecutions boss Mokotedi Mshe insisted that the case itself was solid. The problem, he said, were recordings of then Scorpions boss Leonard McCarthy and former NPA head Bulelani Ngcuka discussing the timing of Zuma's prosecution. This, Mshe claimed, was proof of a political conspiracy against Zuma.
Mr. McCarthy used the legal process for a purpose other than which the process was designed to serve. That is, for collateral and illicit purposes.
He promised a full public investigation, but this has never happened. The matter has simply been swept under the carpet. The NPA published transcripts of some of the McCarthy-Ngcuka conversations, but never released the recordings. There's no context to the discussions, and we don't know, obviously, what other potentially damaging information they may contain, or even if they still exist. The Democratic Alliance is trying to challenge Mshe's decision to drop the Zuma corruption case and sees these tapes as crucial. A High Court has already ruled that the NPA should hand over the recordings. That court order also compels the NPA to hand over partial records of its own internal discussions about whether or not the case should have been quashed. The NPA isn't challenging that court order, but President Jacob Zuma is. He says the tapes should remain confidential. His lawyers argue Zuma is, as a person, a president and a political leader and a member of the ANC, the natural target of the main opposition party. Any denigration of him or opportunity to use information to his detriment obviously enhances the DA's political cause. The president has been accused of using Stalingrad tactics, every possible legal avenue, to try to delay the release of the tapes. And given their history, it's likely that if President Zuma loses here, he'll take this matter all the way to the Constitutional Court. Karen Moore, Johannesburg.
You deserve to know more.
eNCA.com